Fisher refrigerator model Fisher Paykel 966386 error codes. Fisher Paykel 60-inch side-by-side column refrigerator amp. Freezer set with 3084 rupees SRK 130-inch. Right hinge refrigerator RS3084 FLJK 130-inch left hinge freezer, 60-inch toe kick, joiner kit and 2P error codes. Code. Fault code 1. Problem. Module failure. Code. Fault code 2. Problem. Defrost issue. Code. Fault code 3. Problem. Temperature sensor issue. Code. Fault code 4. Problem. Temperature sensor issue. Code. Fault code 5. Problem. Freezer compartment sensor issue. Code. Fault code 6. Problem. Freezer compartment sensor issue. Code. Fault code 7. Problem. Evaporator sensor. Code. Fault code 8. Problem. Evaporator sensor. Code. Fault code 9. Problem. Refrigerator sensor issue. Code. Fault code 10. Problem. Refrigerator sensor issue. Code. Fault code 11. Problem. Ambient heater PC, FC fan issue. Code. Fault code 12. Problem. Ambient heater PC, FC fan issue. Code. Fault code 13. Problem. Ambient heater fault. Code. Fault code 14. Problem. Ambient heater fault. Code. Fault code 15. Problem. Refrigerator fan issue. Code. Fault code 16. Problem. Refrigerator fan issue. Code. Fault code 17. Problem. Freezer fan issue. Code. Fault code 18. Problem. Freezer fan issue. Code. Fault code 20. Problem. Flapper heater issue. Code. Fault code 21. Problem. Flapper heater issue. Code. Fault code 22. Problem. Water tank sensor issue. Code. Fault code 23. Problem. Water tank sensor issue. Code. Fault code 24. Problem. Ice tray sensor issue. Code. Fault code 25. Problem. Ice tray sensor issue. Code. Fault code 26. Problem. Ice maker motor issue. Code. Fault code 27. Problem. Ice maker motor issue. Code. Fault code 28. Problem. Ice maker solenoid issue. Code. Fault code 29. Problem. Ice maker solenoid issue. Code. Fault code 30. Problem. Display harness issue. Code. Fault code 31. Problem. Display harness issue. Code. Fault code 40. Problem. Ice maker solenoid issue. Code. Fault code 41. Problem. Ice maker solenoid issue. Code. Fault code 42. Problem. Ice maker fill tube issue. Code. Fault code 43. Problem. Ice maker fill tube issue. Code. Fault code 49. Problem. Electronic communication error.